in. In. We use in to describe something or someone that is in a certain place, structure, subject, production, or when referring to a general time zone. We are in Stirling. You will see many nice rooms in the house. In English, we must remember to use the correct prepositions. Certain place. In Stirling, in Scotland, in the country, in the town, in the area, in the mix, in the zone. Structure. In the house, in the box, in the car, in the room. Situation. In my dream, you are in luck. I am in love. We are in trouble. Subject. We say this in English. We use it in speech. It's useful in calculations. It's in our plans. Production. I am in the video. You are in that film. I read it in a book. I saw it in a magazine. And I'm in a silent movie here. General time zone. In the beginning, in the evening, in the winter, in the middle of the week, in the summertime. In the long run, in the coming few months, in the late summer. I'm in the middle of something. I'm not in the correct frame of mind. On. We use this preposition to describe things or people on a vertical or a horizontal surface, for days and for things not within something else. I will put my pens on the table, horizontal surface. They are placing posters on the wall, vertical surface. We are on the bridge. Do you see people on the pier? What is on your mind? I was on time on Tuesday. It's on fire. I am on the bus. Are you inside the bus? Well, I'm not on the roof. You see, you can use the word inside instead of in for like an enclosed place, like a room or a car. So let's have a look at these prepositions in prepositional phrases. On the subject of, on this occasion, on reflection, on the day in question, in those days, in my mind, in this situation, in the film, in the old-fashioned days. You can see how both prepositions vary and why we use one and not the other. What is on TV at the moment? I'm on the computer. I am on the phone. I was on holiday at the time. Okay, at. This one is very specific, referring to an exact action, place or time. I threw confetti at the happy couple. I am at the river now. I am at reception. Are you at your desk? What time shall I meet you at? We are at our destination. I will see you at 3 o'clock. We are at the end of the road. Are you looking at it? What time is that at? It is at noon.
Welcome to Dubai. And we're going to start off this little journey to Dubai by going up to the very top of the tallest building in the world. That would be the Burj Khalifa, and here it is.
At is used to describe a specific location. So you wouldn't say I am at Dubai. You would say I am at the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. I am on the 124th floor of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, to be more exact. Where are you? Okay, so how would you answer this question? Where are you? I am at reception. I'm at home. I'm at college. I'm at school. An article a, an, the is required for these. I'm at the park. I'm at the hospital. I'm at the grocery store. I'm at the cinema. I'm at the concert. A precise location. So try filling in the blanks here, okay? What are the prepositions missing? Okay, there's 3 of them. Try filling them in here. You can pause the video if you like. I know it's a bit of a tricky one, that. Okay, this was filmed in the living room on the 5th of May at midnight. If you got all the correct prepositions there, very well done, because that was a tricky one. See you there? Yes, your name is Jasmine the cat. Hello, donkeys. Sleepy cat over there. Yeah, that's a sleepy donkeys. Fill in the blanks with either in, on, or at. You can pause the video if you like. Well, you should have had the cat is always on the couch in the afternoons. Okay, well done if you got it right. Again, fill in the blank. What is the missing preposition here? Cats like gentle strokes on the head. Okay, now what is the missing preposition here? You can read it yourself. Yes, and the missing preposition was on. I go to the park on Sundays. We use on for days, remember? Okay. 2 missing prepositions. 2 sentences, 2 missing prepositions. What are they? Pause the video if you like. Well, the missing prepositions were on and in. That is an odd look on your face. You are in luck. Fill in the missing prepositions here. What are the prepositions to fill in the blanks, either in, on, or at? Now please note, when writing prepositions, you don't write them all in capitals. I'm just doing this to highlight the prepositions, okay? So the correct answer there was, I will see you at 3 p.m. at reception. Okay, we used at twice there. And that is in, on or at. I hope it helped you. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.